fiber. Mm. You know, when you, because this one, there's a little, you know, like combination of apple and then pear. You know, there's a little sourness. And then when you dip with a spicy salt, you're gonna, ooh, you're gonna giggle it. mm, mm, mm. That's why, guys, I'm not really into the mukbang thing, or you know the other one, the ASMR, ASMR, because I'm not a, you know, I eat fast, okay, but it's not like, you know, when I eat, that's like, you know, that's the end of my. Mm. Oh. Where are those my subscribers? Where are you guys? Oh, spicy, hot and spicy. So when you put some salt, don't put a lot. Oh, by the way, tomorrow I'm going to meet my friend Sharon Laplaco, or simply Sharon. Ang lang. Namor guapa. Mm. So where are you people? I still have time to talk. Where are you people? Spicy in my mouth. Hot. But you know, my tolerance for hot and spicy food, very high. But now I don't really want to eat because that's the number one advice of my doctor before when I catch cough. She said that don't eat too much spicy food, too sweet, because that it triggers you to cough, or you know, it might trigger, you know, to attack my allergy. So I'm gonna do karaoke na lang.